Hi there. Ever felt like the financial world was just a wild roller coaster? Trust me, you are not alone. But here's the secret. An investment strategy is your financial game plan. It outlines your goals, your risk tolerance, how you'll diversify your assets. It's kind of like your compass in this giant sea of investing. Markets can be unpredictable, as we know, and when there's a downturn, the immediate urge to sell or make abrupt changes is common. But here's the twist. Historically, markets have trended upward over time. Of course, past performance can't guarantee future results. But what we've seen is when people react impulsively to short term volatility, they're likely to miss out on potential long term gains. So, as part of our Watch or Thrive financial empowerment series, I'm going to emphasize strength and resilience when it comes to investing. Your investment strategy is all about reminding you to hold steady even in the face of challenges. So, how do you start? Define your goals. Get as specific as you possibly can. If you're thinking about retirement planning, when do you want to retire? At what age? What do you want to do in your retirement? Where do you want to live? The more you can get clear around that, the more we can quantify what that goal looks like. If you're wanting to buy your first home, where do you want to buy it? How much do the homes cost in that area? What does that look like for your family? Leaving a legacy is important to you. Really think about the kind of legacy that you want to leave. The clearer you can get on your goals, the more you can really use that to drive your investment strategy. Diversification is important, especially as it relates to managing your risk within your portfolio. So you want to spread your investments in order to limit risk, but in very specific, strategic, and intentional ways. Be sure to review periodically. Life changes, and so may your financial goals. A regular review allows you to make adjustments as necessary. Remember that a consistent strategy can be your guide to the ups and downs of the market. So if you found value in this video, please do subscribe and share it with others. Let's empower one another to make informed, steady decisions. Till next time, keep thriving and investing with intention.